All right, volume of cylinder. So we have a cylinder. We have this formula, volume is equal to capital B times H. We have this formula under the volume section in our reference material. It's good for a prism or a cylinder. We're going to use it for a cylinder day. Volume is equal to big B times H. So we have to know what big B means. And big B is the area of the base. The area of the base. All right, well, in a cylinder, the base is a circle. Okay, so we're going to put a circle around big B. We're going to replace big B with the area formula of a circle. So in your area section for circle, this is what big B equals to, pi r squared. All right, so we're going to come down here and solve a few examples. So our formula is volume is equal to big B times H. I'm going to circle big B. I'm going to replace big B with pi r squared, and that gets multiplied by the height. So the only two things that I have to have are the radius and the height. The height connects the two bases. So this 2 is my height. Radius only goes halfway across the circle. This is the diameter, it goes all the way across the circle. So I'm just going to half that and get my radius of 5. And then I just plug everything in. So I have pi, I have 5 squared, and it's going to get multiplied by that height of 2. Sometimes your answers are going to be left in units of pi, so we're going to start off and we're just going to ignore pi. All right, we're not going to worry about the pi right now. So in our calculator, we're going to take 5 and square it and multiply that by 2, which gives me 50. All right, so these numbers multiply together to get 50. I'm leaving pi there. And this is centimeters cubed because volume is in cubic centimeters. This is an exact answer. Okay, when we leave it in units of pi, that's an exact answer. So sometimes you'll see it like this, and sometimes you'll need to go ahead and estimate with a decimal. So 50, the blue second button and the caret button gives you pi. So 50 pi is about 157, and I can round this to 1/10. So our volume is approximately, because this is an estimation because we're rounding, 157 and 1/10 centimeters cubed. So this is an exact answer when I leave it in units of pi, and this is our estimation here. And again, you'll see it both ways. All right, so let's work another example here. We still have a cylinder, we're still finding volume. My formula is still capital B times H. Capital B means area of the base, which in this case is a circle, so we want to put a circle around big B. Want to replace it with the area formula for a circle, pi r squared, and we're going to multiply by the height. So again, I just need radius and height. So here's my circle base. Even though this cylinder is laying down, this is my circle base, this is my radius, my height connects my two bases. So even though this cylinder is laying down, that's still my height. So volume is equal to pi, radius of 4 squared, times my height of 16. Okay, we're going to leave pi alone because we're just going to leave this in units of pi for right now. Okay, so we're going to have 4 squared times 16 is 256. Okay, so my volume is equal to 256 pi, and this is centimeters cubed. So sometimes answers will be left that way. All right, so 256 pi, second button, caret button, gives me pi. So that's about 104.25. 804. All right, so this is about 804.25 centimeters cubed. So for volume of a cylinder, you're going to take your formula, replace big B with area of a circle, plug your numbers in, stick it all in the calculator, and you're done.